How to use TextNow on PC. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official TextNow website at textnow.com. Click on the web messaging button to sign into your account, or you can click sign up free to create a new one. Once logged in, you will be taken to your TextNow dashboard where you can send and receive messages, make calls, and manage your contact. To send the message, click on the Message tab, select a contact or type a phone number, then compose your text in the message box and hit send. For making calls, click on the Calls tab, enter the contact's number or select a saved contact and press the call button to start your conversation. To add a new contact, go to Contact section, click Add Contact, enter the name and number and save it. Your contact will now appear for easy messaging or calling. You can also customize your settings by clicking on the profile icon, where you can adjust notification, set a voicemail greeting, and change your account preferences. Now you know how to use TextNow on PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.